go to the spa. December 31st, 2019. It's been a great year. It is so cold outside.
Experienced over and over again where
Okay guys, so here are all their services. As soon as you walk in, you can pick and choose. And it's late, well it's early, so everything is pretty much closed right now, the jacuzzis and stuff, but they don't open up until 5 a.m. But when you come in, you get a locker and a key with a scanner attached to it. So you have to take off your shoes, and they give you shorts and a t-shirt to put on. This is the movie theater. This is where I slept this night. And when I woke up, I went straight to the meditation lounge. My favorite area is the oxygen room. It is so relaxing, guys. To be able to wake up and be able in a different environment that's just so peaceful and relaxing. I was so thankful that I was able to spend my New Year Eve like this. I was able to reflect on everything that happened and everything that I want to accomplish. They are really big on the use of cell phones as far as people talking loud or having loud conversations in the saunas. And people are most of the time respectful, so that's good. The ice room is my favorite to go into when I need to cool down. Another one of my favorites is the Gold Pyramid Sauna. I absolutely love this sauna, guys. This is another favorite of mine. This room has so many healing properties. This is another great sauna that I like because it's very detoxifying. These stones are extremely hot to the point where you have to put it. It's called the base room. And you have to put a towel down to be able to lay on these stones without getting burned. So yeah. They have beautiful artwork that they also have for sale. Sauna I love, but that was way overpacked, so I didn't go. And this is the restaurant that they have. When I'm here, I literally only have fruit or a smoothie. I haven't had a full meal yet, but I think the next time I go, or if I come on a date with someone else, then I probably would definitely try something. Prices are pretty high. But other than that, I absolutely love it. And yes, this was a wonderful experience. I am so thankful that I was able to start my year off here at the spa for 14 hours. It is such a blessing. I hope you guys have an amazing year. Check out what I have in the description box below for you guys, and I will see you later. Namaste.